everyone. So after the discussion of the content to be used for the creation or making the PowerPoint presentation, so let us have the practical application of making a PowerPoint presentation. So let us have first open the Microsoft PowerPoint. So in this Microsoft PowerPoint, so as you can see in my screen, so we have different templates, already made templates to be used for your presentation. But we're going to uh, use the blank presentation for our own design. So you can click this one and create. So in my screen, as you can see, this is a blank page of the presentation. So what are we going to do is insert the picture for our background. So I will use my downloaded background for my entire uh, slides. So what I'm going to do is drag this picture on the edge and stretch this picture on the other side and this one to fill in all the sides. So now our page is covered by this background. So what we're going to do now is we need to duplicate this slide for the entire uh, slides. So just double click or right click and um, click the duplicate slide. So now we have a second slide the same as the first slide. So we have another um, way for duplicating or making another slide on the same one. So what we're going to do is Control C and Control V. Then that's it. So we have a lot of slides to be used with the same background. So now, as what I discussed lately, that we need to plan or we need to have our content to be used for our presentation. So this time, for the real quick inputting your content for this presentation, what you're going to do is open the file where the content is located. So let's go. So click this one and go to the documents and find the lesson that you're going to create a presentation. So open this file and that's it. Then to transfer this text to our presentation, first highlight the text and use the Ctrl C for the copy and go to the presentation for Ctrl V for the paste. Now to enlarge the size of this text, so just click this tab for increasing the font size. And for the decreasing the font size, just click this tab. Okay. So we're going to um, increase the size for this text to become readable. And also this one, let us change the font color and also the font size. Okay, so we can also change the font style by clicking this tab. Then you can choose any font style you want for your presentation. Now the first slide is set, so let's move on to another slide. So same procedure that we use on the second slide, and then highlight, then copy paste on our presentation. So same procedure, increase the size, change the color, and change the font style. Okay, so the second slide is set. So let's move on to another slide. So this time, we're going to copy paste the picture from the content or from the um, Microsoft Word. So same procedure, Control C, then Control V. Now we're going to drag this picture on the edge of this blackboard and stretch it to fill in the blackboard. And the picture is now set. So the third slide is set. So let's move on to another slide. So same procedure, um, highlight the text and Control C, then Control V. Change the font size, the font style, then the font size to become more readable, and change the color. Okay, so same procedure. Control C, then Control V. And change the color, same as what we did on the slides, on the earlier slides. This time we're going to copy this graph and paste to the presentation. But it takes some seconds to set up the graph from the presentation. So let's wait to process the graph. While we're waiting for the um, graph to set up, so let's move on to another um, slide. Okay. So after inputting the content to our presentation, now let us apply the transitions and animation to every slides. So first, let's move to first slide. So let us apply the first transition. So we can use fade or push, wipe, split, reveal, cut, random bars, shape, and everything that we have in this um, transition. And after that, just fill in all the um, slides. Just click, then it will apply. Okay, so now if you are going to use the animation on every slide also, click this animation, then to apply that animation, you're going to select first the text that you're going to um, apply the animation. So if you want to appear or blinds, checkerboard, dissolve in, fly in, or anything in this animation. It's up to you. And even in the picture, you can apply the animation. Okay, so if you're done applying all the animations and transition in your slides or every slides, so next is you're going to present you're going to um, slideshow your presentation to uh, every animation and transition you apply in every slides is intact on that slide. So you're going to click the, click this slideshow to see it is still happening. Okay, so everything is set on your presentation. Okay, at this time everything is set on your presentation, so you're going to save first your presentation to be sure that it will not deleted after your um, creating your presentation. So in saving the presentation, we have to change the name. Lesson today. Then click this for um, if you want to save to downloads or on the documents. Then click save. Then it will change the title of the presentation. So this time, if you want to present your presentation, just click this slideshow and you can choose if you want to start from the start or the first slide, or if you want to start from the current slide like this from the number 6 slide. If you want to uh, present your presentation as a presenter view, you can click this one. So let's try. If I want to start from the start of this presentation, the first slide. So this is your first slide. And if I want to start my presentation on the number 8 slide, so just play or just click the play from current slide. Okay, that's it. And if you want to have, or if you want if you have note to read during the presentation, you can click this one, the presenter view, so that you can read while you are presenting your presentation. So you can type your notes here to guide you in presenting your presentation. And that's it for this PowerPoint presentation tutorial. Thank you very much.